This is our new Raindrop Light set. This was a set based on the small LED light, which is very popular. And what we wanted to do is create a good indoor and outdoor set so that it would be strong and it would also resist corrosion when you're particularly using it outdoors. So we sheathed this in a PVC wire. The battery box, which is great. First of all, we don't have to have electricity where we want to place our lights. We can place it anywhere we wish. In addition, this light string is 33 feet long, so you have a lot of lights to work with. Therefore, you can accomplish a lot of decorating with it. On the light box, we have options with respect to functions. So it's flashing. One more push, we're fading. And back onto steady on. In addition, we have options here. We have a timer built into the battery box. You can choose 4, 6, or 8 hours. But for outdoor, we need to accommodate the fact that the daylight changes as we set something up for the season. So we have our timer set, we engage the photo sensor, which then permits us to have the light sets come on when it actually gets dark. The last option on the battery box is we can have it at this intensity, or we can have it super bright. So it's about a 10% difference in light. But if we use it at the lower setting and that's more than adequate, then your battery life will last longer. We have them in multi, warm white, and white. Raindrop lights are a new light set which we can use indoors and outdoors.